Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add a card to your Bitwarden password manager. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Bitwarden app, and then we're going to select My Vault, press on the blue plus icon on the bottom right, and select Card. So this is where you can add your card credentials. So let's first off name our item, which is going to be just the card, so it's easier to identify in this app, the name of the card. Then you can also add it to a folder. So for example, if you want everything sorted into folders, for example all of your passwords into different folders, you can just create a folder which correlates to your password. So I'm going to do cards, save. So now this password is going to be added to a folder named cards. And now we're going to do card holder name, so the name on your card, and just fill in all of this other information that is on your card. And once you've done that, you can just press the save button to save your card. And as you can see, it's going to be saved right here in the cards folder. And you can check the details if you press on the card, and you can edit them also right here by pressing the blue icon. But that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.